Good morning. So we are discussing Claisen condensation. Claisen condensation చూశారు కదా application. Next one, other properties of ester. Like this ester, hydrolysis, base hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, AC2, AAL1, AAC1. Then acid plus alcohol. Okay. Next, base hydrolysis, dilute NaOH, sulfonification. Base hydrolysis of ester is called as sulfonification. Okay na? Right. Similar way, here OR is the living group. We can write nucleophilic substitution, ester groups, H2 by catalyst, no reaction. RMGX hydrolysis, you know, tertiary alcohol, Grignard reagent. Ani rashame nana. Next one, lithium aluminum hydride reduced to alcohol, sodium borohydride, no reaction. B2HTHF, reaction is there but a poor yield. Reaction is there but very poor yield. Next one, sodium ethyl alcohol. Sodium ethyl alcohol, Bouvelt blank reduction. Tarvata dibal H. Ester converted to aldehyde, dibal H. Ester converted to aldehyde nana. Like this reaction, nucleophilic substitution, ammonia, OR plus name rasta manam NH2, amide. Reaction with primary amine, formation of secondary amide. Reaction with the secondary amine, formation of tertiary amide. Like this here, different reactions are possible. Okay na? So that is about ester reactions. Next one, amide. Amide. Here RCONH2 is given. This is a primary amide. RCONHR, here amide. This amide is secondary amide. Now RCONR is tertiary amide. Ila primary amide possible, secondary amide, tertiary amide. Different types of amides are possible nana. Amide. Okay na, amide is there. Over. Now, ఈ reactions అని ఇప్పుడే రాసుకున్నాం మనం, very clear. R acid chloride reaction with ammonia. ఏమనుకున్నాం, Cl is the living group. Reaction, then RCONH2. Next reaction with the primary amine, Cl released, here RNH. Then amide is a secondary amide. Here what is the nana? Primary amide. Now next case here, secondary amine treated. Then our answer R, CON, here R, here R. Tertiary amide. Like this, primary, second, tertiary amides are formed. Primary, second, tertiary amides are formed. Like this acid chloride. Next one, anhydride. Here this is the living group. Living group place lo nucleophile రాయండి అంతే, నేను కొత్తగా ఏం రాయట్లేదు. Here NH3. Then what is our answer? R, CO, primary amide. Reaction with primary amine. This is removed. Then R, CO, NHR. Similar way, here secondary amine reaction. Then answer R, CO, N, here RR. Like this anhydride is given, amide you can get. Amide. Next one, ester. Just now we discussed living group, reaction with NH3, CONH2, primary amine will get secondary amide. Now reaction with secondary amine, then you will get tertiary amide. Like this here from ester. Next one, already carboxylic acids are given. Same, heated with ammonia, primary. Heated with primary amine, will get amide. Secondary amine reaction will get tertiary amide. Tertiary amide. Okay na? Like this here, different amides are possible. Different amides are possible. Like within the molecule, acid chloride amine is given. In this case, Cl minus released. This NH attacks here. Then our answer, here NH, here new bond, here CO. Cyclic amide. This is called as a lactam. You know alpha carbon. Here beta gamma. That's why this is called a gamma lactam. Gamma lactam. Here Cl is alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Here NH2. Here Cl released. This nucleophile attacks here. Then this becomes 6-membered ring. This is called as what? Delta lactam, nana. Delta lactam. Similar way, here carboxylic acid within the molecule NH2. Here also heat is given. What happened? Removal of water, acid and amine within the molecule. Then you will get cyclic amide. Cyclic amide. ఒకవేళ 6-membered ring nana, here OH, here NH2 heat is given within the molecule removal. Then our answer cyclic amide delta lactam. Like this here, anhydride acid, chloride acid, anything is given directly you can get. Okay, now. So here, for example, ester group COOET, NH2 is there. What happened here? ET released, N attacks here. NHCO, delta lactam. Like this, cyclic amides are formed. Within the molecule, acid and other amine groups, ester and amine, acid chloride amine is there. Within the molecule only these all reactions are occur. Within the molecule only these all reactions are there, Nana. That is very important reaction. Now, so amides are given main important Hoffman degradation reaction or Hoffman bromide reaction. Very important reaction, so many times entrance question. Here particularly primary amides are given. Primary amides are there. Degradation means the number of carbon decreased. Degradation. Degradation. Upgradation to increase. Degradation to decrease. Here, like this here, primary amines are given. Amide given. Primary amide reaction with halogen by base. Reaction with halogen by base. Okay, na? Immediately, simply, mirror CO you have to remove. So that removes as a potassium carbonate or sodium carbonate. Then remaining R and NH2, R and NH2 forms as primary amine. Like this, primary amides are there, Nana. Primary amides are there. Primary amide converted to primary amine. Primary amides are there. Primary amides are there. Primary amine is formed. The reaction is Hoffman degradation. You see, carbon number decreased. Here, CN carbons are there, but here CN minus 1 carbons are there. Carbon number less, that's why degradation. The name of the reaction is Hoffman degradation. Hoffman degradation. Mari, how the reaction will carry? We'll see the mechanism. First one here, RCO NH2, here OH minus, Nana. What happened here? OH minus is what here? Base. Now NH2 amide hydrogens are acidic nature. Amide hydrogens are there, acidic nature, Nana, acidic. That's why whenever base is given first, acidic hydrogen removed as water. Then our answer here, CONH minus, Nana. Immediately the CONH are treated with the halogen, bromine. Immediately Br minus and K. That K and Br releases as KBr. Now this Br plus attacks to NH minus. Then our product is, Nana, CONHBr, Nana. Again, what happened here? Br is withdrawing. So this is withdrawing group. Keto group also withdrawing. Therefore, what happened here? This NH hydrogen is more acidic. More acidic. More acidic means again you can apply base. Second base, number of base important, Nana. Your second base here, acidic hydrogen removal. Here base is there. The base reaction with acidic hydrogen. That's why your answer here R CO N minus here Br Nana. Here already lone pair is there. Like this here, minus is formed, but this minus is a resonance table. You can write RCOO minus N here Br also you can write resonance table. But whenever lone pair, here lone pair, here lone pair, here lone pair, here minus is there. More number of lone pair, then what happened according to Vesper theory? According to Vesper theory, what happened, Nana? Lone pair repulsions are more. More number of lone pairs are there. More number of lone pairs are there. Repulsions are more and more. That's why immediately this Br releases. That is as KBr. Whenever Br releases Br minus, then you will get nitrogen plus. Already nitrogen minus, ఇప్పుడు form అయ్యే plus. ఈ plus ఈ minus తో combined అయితే you will get RCON. This is called as N lone pair ఉందిగా, దీన్ని ఏమంటాం acyl nitrene intermediate. But this is less stable. Acyl nitrene నాన్న గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ అంటే less stable. Acyl nitrene is the less stable intermediate. But around nitrogen, how many electrons are there? 6 only. Mari around nitrogen 6 electrons and deficient excess electron deficient nana. Electron deficient and less stable. Immediately what happened? Immediately this R group is there. R group is migrated internal within the molecule only. Intramolecular rearrangement. Okay, intramolecular R group migrated. Then answer RN C double. R minus దీనికి అటాక్ అయితే your minus, your bond cleave అయితే carbon plus nana. But immediately whenever like this plus minus is there, that is as RCO double bond. NCO ఉంటే ఏమంటాం దాన్ని? ఐసోసయనేట్ నానా. NC ఉంటే ఐసోసయనైడ్. NCO ఉంటే ఏమంటాం? ఐసోసయనేట్. ఐసోసయనేట్ నానా. ఐసోసయనేట్. This is the intermediate product. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, హాఫ్మెన్ డిగ్రేడేషన్ లో కానీ హాఫ్మెన్ బ్రోమైడ్ రియాక్షన్ లో వాట్ ఇస్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ అంటే ఐసోసైనేటే. ఎజైల్ నైట్రిన్ కాదు నాన్న, ఇది ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కాదు. ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, జస్ట్ డిసపియర్ అవుతుంది. ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, డిసపియర్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎవరు అంటే ఐసోసైనేట్ ఇంటర్మీడియటే. ఐసోసైనేట్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఓన్లీ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ నాన్న. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. Then what happened after that year? Water we will add. Water add అయినట్లయితే ఏమైంది? అగైన్ your nitrogen negative charge, carbon plus. ఈ nitrogen negative H plus carbon plus కి what we will add are here N bond double bond, here OH we can add, here H we can. This is called as carbamic acid. Carbamic acid nana. Carbamic acid is unstable. Carbamic acid is there. Carbamic acid ఎక్కడైనా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, carbamic acid unstable. Immediately what happened here? Removal of carbon dioxide. అందులో 2 moles of KOH involved, K plus and carbon dioxide. Immediately we'll get potassium carbonate nana. Then we'll get what is our answer now? Here R. Then what happened? NH2. Like this here primary amine is formed. This total mechanism is called as Hoffman degradation or Hoffman bromide reaction. Sarena? Hoffman degradation or Hoffman bromide reaction nana. So overall ga చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని మోల్ల బేస్ యూజ్ అయింది, ఇక్కడ 2 మోల్స్ యూజ్ అయింది, నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ 1 మోల్ యూజ్ అయింది, నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ మోల్ లో 1 మోల్ యూజ్ అయింది. టోటల్ ఎన్ని మోల్ల KYH యూటిలైజ్ అయింది నాన్న? వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఆల్రెడీ ఎంట్రన్స్ క్వశ్చన్. హౌ మెనీ మోల్స్? ఇక్కడ 4 moles of KYH, integer question. How many moles are there? 4 moles of KYH utilized. So finally we are getting amine, that is primary amine. The reaction is called as Hoffman degradation ra. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి, there whatever NH2 group is there acidic, whatever NH2 group is there acidic. Now whatever OH is there base, first base is there, base subtract the acidic hydrogen. Now immediately H plus removed, you will get NH minus anion. Here behaves as nucleophile, immediately substitution. Here Br minus removed, Br plus attacks here. So here to here, what is the reaction? Electrophilic substitution. So overall here, what happened here? Overall here, electrophilic substitution. Overall ఏమవుతుంది? In place of one acidic hydrogen, finally we are writing Br, electrophilic. So electrophile attack. After that, Br withdrawing, keto group also withdrawing. Whenever 2 withdrawing groups are there, middle one is highly active, but here hydrogen attacks to nitrogen. Hydrogen attacks to nitrogen also acidic, but due to 2 withdrawing, further acidic nature more, further acidic nature increased. Again you are applying here base nana. Whenever base is given, again what happened? This acidic hydrogen reaction removes as water. After that you are getting nitrogen minus, that is a resonance table with C double bond O. But here nitrogen having lone pair, bromine also having lone pair. According to Vesper theory, lone pair repulsions are dominating. Ikkada more number of lone pairs are there. That's why immediately Br releases. Okay na? Then you will get here acyl nitrine. Acyl nitrine is a less stable. Nitrogen is electron deficient. So nitrogen deficient means less stable. To get stability, here immediately R group shifted. This is intramolecular rearrangement. Intramolecular rearrangement, I am writing very clearly. Means ikkada emaidi? Stereochemistry does not change. You will get only normal, no crossover product. Like this R group shifted, you are getting isocyanate intermediate nana. What is our answer here? Isocyanate intermediate. So isocyanate intermediate is important. In Hoffman degradation, what is intermediate? They will ask question. Isocyanate. So after isocyanate, we are adding water, hydrolysis. Then you are getting carbamic acid. Carbamic acid is unstable. Carbamic acid unstable. Immediately carbon dioxide released. The releases as carbonate form. Now remaining portion forms as amine. This is the mechanism how the amide is converted to amine. This is about Hoffman degradation, nana. Hoffman bromide reaction, very clear. Okay. Now example you can take, for example CH3 CO estamide, acetic acid amide, then bromine by NaOH. Here how many moles you have to apply, nana? 4 moles of NaOH ra. Then what is our answer? Simply without mechanism means you have to remove CO group. Then our answer here CH3 NH2 nana, methylamine. Methylamine. Now CH3 CO group, here NH2 ra. Then reaction bromine by KOH nana. Again, what is your answer? Tell me. Here simply, here you have to remove CO group. So that releases as potassium carbonate. Okay, na potassium carbonate. Then our answer here, isopropylamine. Isopropylamine nana. Similar way, cyclohexylamide, cyclohexylamide, you will get cyclohexylamine, removal of CO group. Now benzoic acid, benzamide, nana benzoic acid ra, benzoic acid is there, benzamide, benzoic acid, benzamide. Okay, again here also same removal of CO group. Then our product formation aniline. Here we are preparing aromatic amines as well as aliphatic. Aliphatic, aromatic, all types of amines we can prepare here. All we can prepare, Nana. Similar way, here C, here pH group, dotted line H group, thick line CH3, CONH2, Nana. Then what is our answer? ఇక్కడ ఈ CO రిమూవ్ అయితే ఒకవేళ ఇది కైరల్ సెంటర్ అయితే రెసిన్ మిక్చర్ రావాలి, బట్ ఆన్సర్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ప్రోడక్ట్. ఎందుకని? ఇంట్రామాలిక్యులర్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ కదా, ఇంట్రామాలిక్యులర్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్. ఇక్కడ స్టీరియో కెమిస్ట్రీ డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇంట్రామాలిక్యులర్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్. Intramolecular rearrangement, that's why whatever stereochemistry, thick line, dotted does not change. Stereochemistry retained. Stereochemistry యథావిధిగా ఉంటది, అది మారితే మళ్ళీ అది వేరే అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ stereochemistry does not change, నాన్న. ఓకేనా? హాఫ్ మెయిన్ డిగ్రేడేషన్. ఓకే, సిమిలర్ వే like this reaction, two are there. N14, N15, నానా. నార్మల్లీ దిస్ ఈజ్ N14, రాసిన రాయకున్న ఒకటే. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది, ఇక్కడ N14 నైట్రోజన్ బెంజీన్ రింగ్ హ్యావింగ్ డ్యూటీరియం, ఇది N15, దీని ఐసోటోప్ N15 ఉన్నది, ఇక్కడ డ్యూ లేదు, నార్మల్ బెంజిన్ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు మనము ఆబ్మెంట్ డిగ్రేడేషన్ రాస్తే ఏమైతుంది, ఇది మైగ్రేట్ దీనికి అటాక్ అయితే ఈ నార్మల్ రింగ్ ఏమైంది, NNH2 PH2, అది N15 NH2. సిమిలర్ వే సెకండ్ వన్ రియాక్ట్ అయితే NH2, ఇక్కడ డ్యూటీరియం, ఇది 14, ఇది ఇక్కడే మైగ్రేట్ అవుతుంది, ఇది ఇక్కడ మైగ్రేట్ అవుతుంది ఓన్. అలా కాకుండా ఇఫ్ దిస్ వన్ మైగ్రేటెడ్ ఇయర్, ఈ రింగ్ ఇక్కడ మైగ్రేట్ అయ్యి ఈ రింగ్ ఇక్కడ మైగ్రేట్ అయితే ఏమైంది, క్రాస్ అవుతుంది. ఇయర్ డి, ఇక్కడ ఎవరు N15 ప్లస్ క్రాస్ అవుతున్నాయి, నార్మల్ దానికి NH2 అటాక్ అయింది అనుకో, ఈ రెండింటిని ఏమంటాం, క్రాస్డ్ అంటాం. ఈ రెండెవరు, నార్మల్. ఇప్పుడు ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఉంటాయి నాన్న, ఓన్లీ నార్మలే ఉంటాయి కానీ క్రాస్ ఉండవు. ఎందుకంటే మెకానిజం ఇంట్రామాలిక్యులర్, మెకానిజం ఈజ్ ఇంట్రామాలిక్యులర్. మరి ఇంట్రామాలిక్యులర్ మెకానిజం ఉంది అంటే, ఓకేనా, ఇంట్రామాలిక్యులర్ మెకానిజం ఉంది అంటే నార్మల్ ప్రోడక్టే రాయాలి తప్ప నువ్వు క్రాస్ ఓవర్ ప్రోడక్ట్ రాయడానికి వీల్లేదురా. నో క్రాస్ ఓవర్ ప్రోడక్ట్. సో నో క్రాస్ ఓవర్ ప్రోడక్ట్. ఇక్కడ మీరు క్రాస్ ఓవర్ ప్రోడక్ట్ రాయకూడదు నాన్న. ఓకేనా? ఇలా మీరు ఆఫ్మెంట్ డిగ్రేడేషన్ రియాక్షన్ తీసుకోండి. దీస్ ఆర్ ద రియాక్షన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, whenever amide is there, amide with hydrolysis ఏమైంది? యాసిడ్ ప్లస్ అమోనియా నానా, యాసిడ్ ప్లస్ అమోనియా రిడక్షన్. లిథియం అల్యూమినియం హైడ్రైడ్ అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ అమైన్. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ అమైన్. Here sodium borohydride, no reaction. No reaction. Different reducing agents nana, no reaction. Next one here, whenever benzene sulfonyl chloride, removal of water, removal of water will get cyanide. Reaction with here what here? HNO2. HNO2 and will get acid. HNO2 ఏమైతుంది? NH2 converted to OH nana. So like this, different reactions are there. Different reactions are there. Based on that, we can write your answers. These are the important reactions of the amide. So that is about acid derivatives. Carboxylic acid and their derivatives. Carboxylic acid and their derivatives, nana. Okay na? Now next important lesson, nitrogen containing compounds. Nitrogen containing compounds ra. ఈ నైట్రోజన్ కంటైనింగ్ కాంపౌండ్స్ లో ఎలా? నైట్రోజన్ అంటే N గ్రూప్ ఉండాలి. Tell me nana. Over. Nitrogen containing compounds. Here nitrogen containing compounds mainly amines and nitro compounds. Here amine, NH2 group. Amines are different types. Aliphatic amines, aromatic amines. Aliphatic amines and aromatic amines nana. Aliphatic and aromatic. So aliphatic అంటే nitrogenate has to normal carbon aliphatic, nitrogen attached to aromatic ring, those are called as aromatic amine. Particularly this is called as what? Nana, aniline. Aromatic amine aniline ra. So your aliphatic amines are again different types. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, quaternary salt. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, quaternary salt. Quaternary salt nana. Primary amine means your carbon attached to NH2 group, NH2. Nitrogen having one side branch, only one side branch, those are called as primary amines. Now nitrogen having both side branch, that is secondary amine. Your nitrogen has three side branches, three side branch, that is tertiary amine. Now nitrogen having four side branch, whenever four bonds are there, automatically charge. Here plus minus is there, that is called quaternary salt. Quarter means four. Like this here amines are there, aliphatic amines are primary, secondary, tertiary. Different types of amines are possible. Different types of amines are possible, Nana. Similar way, again primary amines are different types based on alkyl. Primary alkyl, primary amine. Alkyl is a primary RCH2. Your NH2 amine is primary. Your amine primary, alkyl primary. R group primary, Nana. Next one, secondary alkyl. Alkyl is secondary, but amine is primary. Alkyl is secondary, R, CH here, R, here NH2 nana. This carbon is secondary, amine is primary. Similar way, now tertiary alkyl, primary amine. Here alkyl is tertiary, R group is tertiary, but here amine is primary. Like this here, based on R group, different primary amines are possible. So that is about classification of amines. Amines, aliphatic amines are there, aromatic amines are there. Aromatic amine mainly aniline important, Nana. Aromatic amine, aniline, very, very important, aniline. Okay, na? Okay. So this is a classification of amines. Next one here. Here first preparation of amines. From halogen compounds. Okay, na? Very simple nucleophilic substitution, Nana. Your alkyl hal reaction with ammonia. Tell me, your X is a living group. In place of X, NH2 group, you have to write answer here RNH2. Again, what happened? Here once again, one more alkyl halide. Your X releases. In place of X, you write this. Our answer here R. The amine is secondary amine, Nana. Again, excess of alkyl halide. Further, again what happened? Here X place nucleophile attacks here. Then our amine is tertiary. Again tertiary reacts with one more. Then here attack. Now our answer Nana, quaternary salt. Like this here, alkyl amines, alkyl halide treated with ammonia. alkyl halides are there. Your alkyl halide treated with ammonia, then we'll get amine derivatives. Ikkada whenever alkyl halide excess, so here Rx plus here ammonia heated, this is excess is given our product formation directly enti quaternary salt nana, directly quaternary salt. If here alkyl halide plus here ammonia excess is given, the reaction will stop at first step. Ammonia is excess, the reaction will stop in first step. Then our answer, what is our answer now? Only primary amine, only primary amine. Depends upon ammonia condition, here possibilities are there. Depends upon condition, possibilities are there nana. So like that, remember here not only aliphatic, aromatic amines also we can prepare. Check whenever aryl halides are given, aryl, this is a aromatic halide. Aryl halide is given, reaction with the normal condition, no reaction. I told you very clearly, aryl halides are does not involve in substitution nana. మనము హాలోజన్ కాంపౌండ్ లో మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. ఎరైల్ హాలైడ్ డస్ నాట్ ఇన్వాల్వ్స్ ఇన్ ద రియాక్షన్ readily at room temperature. If high temperature is given, then reaction. Now ammonia treated with the copper oxide by 200 degrees centigrade, then here X group released. Our product formation is what here? What is our answer? Amine, NH2, aniline. Lot of difference. First reaction, second reaction, lot of difference there nana. Check your normal condition is gone, don't write reaction, but high temperature and other reagent is given, any catalyst is given, then reaction occur, then you can write answer. Like that here aliphatic amine we can prepare, aromatic amine prepare from halogen. Similar way from alcohols nana, same reaction. Alcohol, whenever alcohol treated with ammonia in presence of Al2O3 heat, then in place of OH you write NH2. Our answer R NH2 primary. Again further alcohol is given. Again what happened? Here OH removed, then this attacks here. Our amine is secondary nana. Simple reaction, these all are. Again alcohol is given, L2. So here OH release, again here N attacks here. Our product formation tertiary amine, tertiary. Again reaction with here alcohol, Al2O3, alcohol Al2O3. Then what is our answer nana? Here again OH released, here nitrogen attacks to R group, then our product formation here R nana. Like this we are getting what here? Quaternary salt. Like this from alkyl halide we can get primary, second, tertiary. From alcohol also same thing nana. If alcohol is excess, quaternary salt. Nucleophilic, simple nucleophilic, that's all. Here alcohol excess, our product formation is what nana? Quaternary salt. Okay na? If ammonia excess, then our main product is a primary amine nana. Like this here from alcohol also you can get answer. From alcohol also we can get answer nana. So that is about here. Next compound, alcohol No. Here we can prepare aromatic amines also. How? Whenever here phenol is given, phenol treated with normal ammonia, no reaction. Nana. At a normal condition, phenol also not involves in the reaction, substitution. But whenever here ammonia treated in presence of ZnCl2 200 degrees centigrade, then this is readily undergoes cleavage. Nana. Why? Because the ZnCl2 Lewis acid, ZnCl2 attacks to OH, that become good living group. Good living group. Here salt formation. Now this salt formation bulky group. Now bulky group acting as good living group. In that case, what happened here? OH release. In place of OH, what is the nucleophile? Nana? NH2 group. Like this, aniline is prepared. Aromatic amine aniline is prepared. Nana. Aromatic amine aniline. Like this, from alcohol derivative we can prepare. From alcohol derivative we can prepare. From halogen compound we can prepare. Okay. Next one, from carbonyl compound. From carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound. Okay. So carbonyl compound means here answer aldehydes are ketone. Aldehydes are ketone. Nana. Aldehydes are ketone. Okay. ఈ aldehyde ketones లో ఎలా రా? This is a reductive amination. By the reaction we can prepare Nana reductive amination. Now for example, first your aldehyde is there. Aldehyde reaction with any amine Nana. మనం ఆల్రెడీ రాసుకున్నాం. ఏం ప్రోడక్ట్ వస్తుందిరా చెప్పినా? ఎలిమినేషన్ ఫాలోడ్ బై, అది ఎడిషన్ ఫాలోడ్ బై ఎలిమినేషన్ అని ఓవరాల్ కండెన్సేషన్ అనుకున్నాం. ఏమొస్తుందన్నా నీకు? ఆర్ సిహెచ్ డబుల్ బాండ్ ఎన్ అన్న. దీన్ని ఏమన్నా మనం స్కిప్స్ బేస్ అని చెప్పిన. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆల్రెడీ ఓల్డ్ ఎంట్రన్స్ క్వశ్చన్. అమైన్ తో రియాక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు వచ్చే ప్రోడక్ట్ పేరు ఏంటి? స్కిప్స్ బేస్ అన్నాం. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉంది, దీన్ని ఇమైన్ అనాలి. ఇమైన్ ఇది. ఇమైన్ కి ఏం చేయాలి? H2 by catalyst నికెల్ గాని ఆర్ సోడియం సైనో బోరోహైడ్రైడ్ NaBH3Cn. ఈ రెండు రెడ్యూసింగ్ ఏజెంట్స్ ఏనా? ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద రెడ్యూసింగ్ ఏజెంట్ ఇస్ గివన్. Any one of the reducing agent is given, immediately double bond converted to single bond. Okay. ఇలా different types of amine we can prepare. ఇలా amine prepare చేయడాన్ని ఏమన్నా reductive amination. ఫస్ట్ అమోనియా గ్రూప్ ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఆ తర్వాత రిడక్షన్ రాసుకుంటా ఉన్నాం. ఇలా ఉండే దీని ఏమన్నా రిడక్టివ్ అమినేషన్ అన్న గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. కార్బోనైల్ కాంపౌండ్ ద స్కిప్స్ బేస్. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ here acetaldehyd plus methylamine acid nana. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏమైంది? ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ లో రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్, అంతే. కండెన్సేషన్ అనుకున్నాం. కండెన్సేషన్ ఇందులో ఎవరున్నారు? ఎడిషన్ ఫాలోడ్ బై ఎలిమినేషన్ నానా. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇమైన్. తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి నేను? రిడక్షన్. H2 by నికెల్ గాని సోడియం సైనోహైడ్రైడ్. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది? here whatever imine bond converted to amine. Secondary amines are there. Secondary amine. Similar way, benzaldehyde is given. Methylamine, acid medium. What is our answer, Nana? Removal of water. Then our answer skips base. Then what is our answer, Nana? Further reduction. Then our answer pH, CH2, NHCS3. This is called as reductive amination. Reductive amination. For example, here acetone is given. Tell me. First one, removal of water. Here, removal of water, reductive amination. Then our answer now CH3C, CH3, double bond NCH3. Here bond cleavage. Then our answer now CH3C, CH3, NH here, CH3 Nana. Here carbonyl compound ketones also given. You can get answer cyclohexanone plus aniline. First reductive amination, just addition followed by elimination. Nana. What happened here? Skips base, then reduction, then our product formation. Cyclohexyl group here, NH here, aromatic ring. Sarina, like this here product formation. This is called as reductive amination. Reductive amination. So through reductive amination, products are there. Srikanth. Okay, Nana. This is about preparation of amine from